distinguished district in charge, Dr. Maria Estrella A. Barcarce, our energetic principal, Mr. Paulino M. Lasso, sir, the active and supportive school administrators, dedicated fellow teachers, respected barangay and SPTA officials, beloved benefactors, and loving parents and relatives of our graduates, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Naranya ang Ballesteros na Tarnao ng Amugbo. It is an honor for me to introduce our guest speaker today, a remarkable individual whose dedication to the field of fisheries and her relentless pursuit of knowledge truly set her apart. Our esteemed guest was born on May 4, 1996 in the town of Ballesteros, Cagayan. She is currently 29 years old and resides in Palloc, Ballesteros, Cagayan. She is the daughter of Mr. Robert Ramos Talia and Mrs. Emelinda Soriano Talia, who have undoubtedly inspired her journey. She has always shown a passion for learning and personal growth. Regarding her educational background, she graduated as the salutatorian here at Amugbuan Elementary School in 2008. Setting a strong academic foundation that she continued to build upon at Ballesteros National High School, where she graduated in 2012. She then pursued the Bachelor of Science in Fisheries at Cagayan State University, where she graduated cum laude in 2016. Currently, she is furthering her education by pursuing a Master of Science in Fisheries at Isabela State University, Rojas Campus. In addition to her academic achievements, she has also demonstrated her commitment to public service by successfully passing the Civil Service Eligibility Examinations in Fisheries, Technologies, and earning the CSC Honor Graduate Eligibility at University at Cagayan Valley. She has gained significant professional experience in the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of Region 2, starting as a laboratory analyst from July 1, 2016 to December 2020. In October 1, 2021, she transitioned to the role of Fishing Regulations Officer 1, where she currently serves as a permanent member of the team. Her work is instrumental in managing and implementing policies that ensure the sustainability of our aquatic resources. Her commitment to her field is evident in her participation in numerous training programs, ranging from laboratory waste management and pathogen detection to innovative practices in aquaculture. Her eagerness to learn and adapt is commendable, and it speaks volume about her commitment to excellence within the fisheries sector. Beyond her professional pursuit, she also has a creative side with interest in singing, the arts, and writing, demonstrating that she is not only skilled in her profession, but also a well-rounded individual. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from a young woman who embodies the spirit of dedication, knowledge, and passion for her field. Her insights into fisheries management and her experiences will surely inspire us all. Without further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Evelyn Soriano Talia. Let's give her a round of applause.